Oh, it's a good video today. But first, gotta get it quiet. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh. Maybe I'll cut that. Maybe I won't. Who knows? So in the last video, I explained how you show signs of schizophrenia through a story that was too long. I'm sorry. But pretty much the gist of it is you're a kid, you get beat up mentally, emotionally, get some delusions, messes you up, and then subtly affects your life and the decisions you make. So you're probably not living the life you want to right now. But that's okay, because we're gonna fix that. I think that was more for me to calm down rather than entertainment. What was I gonna say? Oh shoot. Hold up. I calmed down so much that I lost my train of thought. Wow. Good stuff. Oh yeah, so pretty much. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. Your foundation is what you can fall back on when things are going rough in your life. You're like, uh-oh, but at least I know what makes me happy. Most of us out here don't really know what makes us happy because we don't practice things to make us happy. So put on your Bob the Builder hat, because we're gonna build you a new foundation, baby. Talk to me nice. Alright, grab your hammers. We got 3 pillars. And the first one, most important, expression. Yay. What I mean by expression is how often do you express your unique energy? And if you're not sure what you like to do to express yourself to like the maximum happiness, is think back on your childhood. The reason that I know that these are things that I like is because when I was a kid, I used to love creative writing because I was in control of what I was writing. And that's journaling. No one can tell me how to journal because it's my journal, dog. I'm sorry, aggressive. And then YouTube. I used to love, oh my god, I used to love taking videos with my old friends when we were kids on our little flip phones and doing like stop motion stuff or just like role playing, joking around. And me and my little brother used to, on his 3DS, take videos and like mess around with the effects. And this is a way better version of that. Sick, dude. With these ways of expression, I can always fall back on them. I always know that this will make me happy when I do it, and I can make it as creative as possible. Find your outlet. Is it art? Is it sports? Is it dancing? Is it jokes? It can literally be anything. Video. My roommate, his thing is video games. He'll just imagine a new scenario on a video game, and he loves it. He's like a mental journey with every video. It's actually pretty fascinating to watch. So think outside the box. And again, if you don't know, look into your childhood. What did you like to do as a kid? Did you like to build things? Maybe start doing projects. I don't know, dog. It's all you. Express yourself. That was so corny. So I know the first pillar was pretty important, but the second pillar is definitely the most important. We're talking internal, baby. How well are you doing on the inside? What I mean by this is mental clarity and your emotions. You see, mental clarity is actually very important because it keeps you in tune with you. And an easy way to stimulate this, or not stimulate it, but to get in tune with yourself is take a break from stimulants, take a break from people. Just take a break a day. And a day that you have off, just take a little time away from your phone. Maybe don't socialize with people for the day. Not the whole day, but just for a little bit. And just kind of like feel into yourself. Are you dehydrated? Are you tired? Are your muscles sore? Do you feel good? And just kind of get comfortable with that. And then slowly reintroduce things and see how it affects your mental clarity. And if you're comfortable with how it does. And then, you're good, dude. Mental clarity. Nice. Then there's emotions. And the reason mental clarity is important for this is because it's like the clairvoyance you have. Really easy way to up your emotions is to literally show appreciation for yourself and for the things you do. If you already know what you do to express yourself, show appreciation for yourself after you've done it or while you're doing it, and you'll feel even better. It's like a little one-up. You always want to make sure that you're hanging more on the happy side. It's okay to feel sad every now and then. Don't worry about it. But just make sure you're not the one continuing that negativity. So yeah, for mental clarity, take a little break from things. Just tune in. And for emotions, just appreciate. Be a happy one. Ooh. The third and absolute most important, I'm sorry, I'll stop with that joke. Adventure, baby. How often do you go explore? Because let's face it, we came here to have a freaking fun experience. To experience as many things as we can, emotionally, physically, whatever. But if you stay at home all the time and repeat the same day with work, the same people, same locations, you're gonna die a little bit on the inside. You're gonna become numb. And you shouldn't be okay with that. I see far too many people okay with living the same day over and over and over. Oh, well, it pays the bills. That's what I'm used to. I'm too old. I'm too old to get. Stop that right now. You came here for an experience. I'm sorry. You know, movement will always make you feel better. I'm serious. If you're feeling stagnant and you don't necessarily want to go outside, but you want to move around your body a little bit, stretches, yoga, not into that, check out this channel. They're called Strength Side. Check out their primal movements. They taught me how to do somersaults. I learned to somersault at 20 years old. And how to do cartwheels again, and just a bunch of other different movements that stretch your body at the same time, make you stronger. And it's nice. Movement's nice, dog. Talk to me nice. Come on now. And plan at least one trip for you per week. I know there's a lot of times where you can just get on random adventures, and those are but if you don't have that happening, just plan one trip. It could be to the store. Honestly, I like to go to food places because then it feels like it's for me. And that's what this trip needs to be. It needs to be for you. It doesn't have to be exciting to other people. It's not something you need to be able to brag around and make everyone impressed. Just something cool. But for you. Because then you'll start looking forward to it. And then after you experience, you'll be like, oh, that was so sick. Let's do another one. And then another one. And suddenly, you're doing 7 days a week of trips. I like that. We like that. And now here's the fun part. This is a very easy foundational model you can fall back on. Because if you're adventuring every single day, you're going to be really satisfied there. But you don't have time to journal. And with everything going on, it's kind of hard to keep mentally in tune because you're so stimulated all the time. So then you'll take some time to come back home and you don't want to go outside. And that's okay because you've been outside for a minute. And you tune in, you relax, you're feeling good because your soul is satisfied in that aspect. And you're happy to go back and journal or paint or make music. Adventure, internal expression. It's what works for me, it's what's made me happier. Not the only model that works, but it's clearly the best one. I'm sorry. We're all equal. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I have ideas for the next one. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say anything, but peace, y'all. Love ya.